Turn on the printer. On the printer control panel, press the menu button. Select System Setup, and then press OK. Select Report, and then press OK. Select Supplies Info, and then press OK. Select Yes, and then press OK. A Supplies Information report prints.